No, actually I'm arrogant. I'm very arrogant. अच्छा हुआ मैं चुप था, नहीं तो I would have come across as a bully. मैं बोल के गया था, मैं तो यार गंदा ही लड़का हूँ. I've never been rude to any girl. और मैं ओल्ड स्कूल हूँ यार. For me it is ladies first. So but लड़के लड़के आपस में लड़ो तो हड्डियों की टूटने की आवाज़ आनी चाहिए. I've been that guy also.
Oh my god, typical Delhi speaking.
Typical Delhi talking. दिल्ली से हूँ.
Love it.
I've never been on an EMI. I've made sure that I don't work for money. I don't do that.
So basically you're in that policy, what gets you here will not get you there.
Never.
Listen.
I'm not into the ladla space. Success doesn't teach you anything. It's only from your failures. As Peter D said once, try until you fail, but this time fail a bit better. You see that podcast, we are having fun. It's crazy. तो ये जो लोग सीरियस हो रहे हैं यार, अबे अपन तो दोस्त हैं, हम तो चैटिंग कर रहे हैं ग्रुप पे, कब मिलना है, नेक्स्ट कहाँ पार्टी करनी है. सो इट्स स्टूपिड फॉर देम टू टेक सर्टेन थिंग्स सो सीरियसली एंड यू नो थ्रेट ईच अदर, योर फैंस, माय आर्मी, ये सब कुछ नहीं है. उल्फतें, चाहते, मोहब्बत ये हर वक्त रहती नहीं. जहाँ कल कोई और था आज कोई और होगा, और आज जहाँ तुम हो वहाँ कल कोई और होगा. ऐसा ही होता है, ऐसा ही होगा.
Hey everyone, this is Hesha Chima and call it my honor, prestige, pride, happy moment or whatever you all would want to say. This is me chatting with none other than Bigg Boss 18's winner Karanveer Mehra and trust me, I'm super excited to do this because आप लोग जो शायद सोच रहे हो उनके बारे में maybe शायद थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा मैं उनसे आज निकाल पाऊंगी उनके बारे में. Hi Karan, thank you so much. Congratulations.
Thank you so much. A very sweet introduction. Thank you guys. Thank you so much.
You know you deserve every bit of it because I feel it's very important that I tell the audiences that इसके पहले हम जब बात कर रहे थे I said that there was a perception that maybe Karanveer Mehra is arrogant, but you changed that perception to absolute self-confidence at its peak, जो बहुत लोगों को ज़रूरत है. I want to start off this interview with you by asking you, where do you derive your sense of confidence from?
No, actually I'm arrogant. I don't know how it's misconstrued by saying that he's confident. But I'm very arrogant and हालांकि मैं first 6 weeks बोला गया था कि मैं चुप था. अच्छा हुआ मैं चुप था, नहीं तो I would have come across as a bully. So this is just out and out arrogance that I have. But I think बाकी लोगों में थोड़ी कम थी इसलिए दिखी नहीं. मैं बोलता भी रहा, कोई टक्कर का आता तो पता लगता. But yeah, I'm brash, I'm arrogant, I make sure I put people down by my one-liners. So that's how Delhi people are. हम ऐसे ही रहते हैं यार. मैं हॉस्टल का लड़का हूँ and मैं बोल के गया था, मैं तो यार गंदा ही लड़का हूँ, तुम देख लो क्या करना है. So I'm glad that you know things were in a way जहाँ पे I could I met people who were simpler like Shilpa and Chum, and it kind of our personalities kind of blended. So whenever I went a little overboard, they were like, "अरे please मत कर यार." And whenever they were low, I was like, "अरे कुछ करो यार." So it's the friendship that kind of helped me become a little maybe come across as confident, but I'm a brash, trust me.
But you know what, I little bit disagree with you because ever since I walked into this room he's been nothing but kind. तो कहाँ की arrogance?
ये तो upbringing है थोड़ी यार, because I've been brought up by all women. तो अंदर से आता ही है that and throughout the season I think I believe I've never been rude to any girl. और मैं old school हूँ यार. For me it is ladies first.
Right.
And you know being it walking in and out of the main door तो मैं पकड़ता था and that's the guy I am.
Yeah.
It's not a put up show. I've been schooled like that. मेरी schooling में even if एक class ऊपर का लड़का जा रहा है तो we had to stand up and call him sir. So instilled है वो सब चीज़ें. So but लड़के लड़के आपस में लड़ो तो हड्डियों की टूटने की आवाज़ आनी चाहिए. I've been that guy also.
Oh my god, typical Delhi speaking.
Typical Delhi talking. दिल्ली से हूँ.
Love it. And Punjabi on
And
top
Punjabi,
of that.
total.
One Punjabi with the other. We're killing it today in this
बिल्कुल.
conversation.
Let's just rock it.
But you know, Karanveer, very important to also ask you this. First of all, मैं आपको ये बिल्कुल नहीं पूछूंगी कि कैसा लग रहा है जीत के, क्योंकि obviously सबको अच्छा ही लग रहा होता है जब वो जीत रहे हैं.
जोर का लग रहा है मेरे को, जोर का एकदम. I'm actually overwhelmed by the love because मुझे लोगों ने वोट नहीं दिए, मेरे को उन्होंने प्यार भेजा है. People I'm meeting, they are hugging me and you know they are not letting go of me कि उनके घर का कोई लड़का जीत गया है. ऐसी वाली feel है and I don't know how to respond to that because I don't know them from Adam, but I have to make sure that I feel कि मैं तुम्हारे घर में था 3.5 महीने. That's the love I'm getting. So I'm also a little हाँ जी because they really want to hug, kiss my forehead and you know be कि just be here.
Right.
So I'm really happy and I really don't know how to handle this actually. I hope I'm not, whoever I'm meeting, trying to send that love back
Lovely.
in many folds actually.
For sure. But you know, I feel ये अक्सर ना हम female actors को as journalists ये question पूछते हैं where there is age barrier कि young age में आपको success achieve करनी चाहिए, this, that, in your 20s, whatever. I feel you are somewhere down the line breaking that stereotype for your own self. You started with Remix, again a very popular show.
Correct.
But I think the last 2 years specifically have been so phenomenal for you, yeah. Like मेरे को ये बोलना है मेरी ऑब्जर्वेशन है that if there's anybody else who's replacing Prince's title of a reality king, it's you now, yeah, buddy.
I know God has been kind. I have not really. I even in my acting, I've never played it to the gallery. I have not thought, oh, audience ऐसी है तो ऐसा करता हूँ. Whatever I've liked, I've done that. Maybe my choices weren't all that correct. To become a star or to become something. But as an actor, I've always polished myself. I've always worked on myself. I've always done workshop, which will enhance my craft. So it has never been कि अभी इधर के लिए ये I've never been on an EMI. I've made sure that I don't work for money. I don't do that. I work for enjoyment, for thrill, for creating something. So that's been my mantra.
That's amazing. But tell me something, if you're saying that you never worked for the money,
Yeah.
what was then the biggest, let's say, motivator for you to become an actor? The actor in you, how are you satisfying that?
Of course, I started off with fame. I wanted to be famous. Every Delhi guy comes to make a mannat and have his own jannat. So वहीं से आया था. I was with Barry sir. And I remember the first conversation I had with Barry sir in Delhi was he asked me, why do you want to be an actor? I said, I want to be famous. And that's his pet peeve. If somebody says he wants to be famous. So he told me, Arey, why don't you rob a bank? You'll be famous. And then I replied, sir, I want to sign autographs, not my charge sheet. So that's when he selected me. I said, no, kuch to hai isme, and just be a part of the workshop. Because that time there were a lot of people applying and he had to select people to be a part.
Right.
And that's how I snowballed into actually liking the craft.
Right.
And building a sense of, connect with the characters I want to play, the portrayal of the story that I want to bring forward. And then slowly I said, नहीं यार मेरे को इस चीज़ में मज़ा आ रहा है. Now even if 2 people are watching me and I'm doing something, I'll be happy.
Right.
So most of my time I've done a lot of theatre, which has no money.
Yeah.
Rather very less money.
Correct. That's true. I agree with you on that, because there are a lot of actors who do mention that theatre is less money, but a lot of gravitas and experience.
A lot of it, and then the standing ovations that you get are awesome, and the kind of the craft you build is when you go on a film or a television set, you're looked up, अरे आप theatre करके आए, very good. दिख रहा है सर, आप वाह क्या कर रहे हो सर. So you just fine tune your, जैसे कोई instrument tune करते हैं ना, वैसा हो जाता है.
Right.
Because I feel acting is the only personal craft in the world.
Right.
If you're a singer, you have your vocal cords, you train them.
Right.
हालांकि वो acting में भी use होता है. Next best thing is a dancer. You train your body to that, and they do it for 8, 10 hours every day.
Yeah.
Then you're a musician. You have an instrument to fall back on.
Right.
But as an actor, you have nothing. You are just
Yourself.
your emotions and your experiences of life put into a character, and you have to portray that. So it's the I would say the nudist way of performing arts. So, and the most difficult if you actually work towards it.
Right. But let's say if I were to ask you, what is Karanveer's sauce to be relevant in the industry for so long? What would that be?
I have never tried to be relevant. I've just tried to work and things have happened.
Right.
I have never tried to, I've always tried to add value to whatever I have. Like I have designed myself a 3-hour workshop, which has been there for the past 2.5, 3 years, to enhance, to add value to my work. If that's the source or that's the
Yeah, pretty
this
much.
thing.
Do you also see as competition as healthy for yourself, or you feel like no, koi competition
No. I am my own competition. I want to better myself every day. I should be a little more than yesterday. That's it. I always quote, I never, fail to try.
Right.
You can try and fail, but never fail to try.
Never fail to try. आपको लगता है आप arrive कर चुके हैं?
नहीं यार, I'm above all that now. I don't think that this is another where are we in Jan?
Yeah.
Another 8 months there'll be another Karanveer Mehra and Big Boss. So these are seasons. This is a time that I will not fly high. I want to be grounded, and I want to make sure that the next project is as talked about and as big as my last one.
Lovely. So basically, you're in that policy. What gets you here will not get you there.
Never, never.
Listen.
I'm not into the ladla space.
Love it. क्योंकि बहुत जनों का दिमाग खराब हो जाता है यार. It's a
बिल्कुल.
fact.
I'm very glad that it came at this age where I understand the meaning of success, which is nothing. Success doesn't teach you anything. It's only from your failures. As Peter D said once, try until you fail, but this time fail a bit better.
Lovely.
That's it.
Okay, so let me ask you, if you were to talk to, let's say, Karan Veer at Remix, what would you tell yourself, that Karan Veer, right now?
So I strongly believe that I would not change a thing about my life if I was given a chance to live again. I don't make mistakes. It's the mistakes that have made me. अगर वो गलतियाँ नहीं की होती तो आज यहाँ नहीं बैठा होता आपके साथ. So I would just be the way I am. I would make those mistakes again.
Love this chat. Okay, चलो बिग बॉस की भी थोड़ी बात कर ही लेते हैं
बिल्कुल
right
बिल्कुल.
now because
हाँ वो भी तो था. Correct.
वो भी तो था ना. This is to me getting to know you. It's like a quick coffee chat with you.
जी.
But coffee with Karan, what you were saying.
Totally.
But now there's coffee with Karan Veer Mehra. Listen, I want to understand. जब एक सेलिब्रिटी बिग बॉस के घर में जाता है, क्या एप्रीहेंशंस उसको ड्रॉप करने पड़ते हैं? बिकॉज सेलिब्रिटी तो आप हो ना, तो अंदर जाके क्या ड्रॉप किया आपने?
मेरे को अपने बैग्स ड्रॉप किए बस, उसके बाद तो कुछ नहीं था. विद इन आई थिंक 15 minutes I forgot there were cameras and there's people will be watching.
Does it really happen?
For 10 minutes I was like, oh अच्छा इधर कैमरा लगा है, oh okay.
Correct.
That's it. And then for some people it was longer, maybe a day, 10 days. A lot of people put on an act for quite some time, but वो छूट जाता है थोड़ी देर बाद. So I was happy to drop that as soon as possible. The minute I think I changed my clothes and took a shower and I came out, I was like ठीक है भाई, हो गया, अब तो घर पे है.
अब जो है बस ये देखा जाएगा.
वो घर मेरा था और मैं उस घर का करण वीर मेहरा एंड तक.
अरे करण वीर तो हो ही गए आप इस चीज में.
जी.
But tell me something, when there was so much chat happening, whether it was, you know, with one section of fans, whether it's Rajat, then Elvish, etc., you went and did that goddamn podcast with Elvish.
जी.
Maybe I know why, but talk to the audience about your psyche behind it.
But let me know the why of why you know that.
I feel you want to make everybody else to probably lovers तो हैं ही, haters को भी lovers में convert कर देते.
No, I want to tell people that actually behind the scenes we are all friends. It's not, if that chat, if you see that podcast, we are having fun. It's crazy. We are not only roasting each other, we are also talking about life and this, and then towards the end he ties me up and takes the trophy for Rajat. So it's all in fun banter, it's all in a lark, in light heart. तो ये जो लोग सीरियस हो रहे हैं यार, अबे अपन तो दोस्त हैं, हम तो चैटिंग कर रहे हैं ग्रुप पे, कब मिलना है, नेक्स्ट कहाँ पार्टी करनी है. सो इट्स स्टूपिड फॉर देम टू टेक सर्टेन थिंग्स सो सीरियसली एंड threat each other, your fans, my army, ये सब कुछ नहीं है.
Right. Yeah, because that just becomes too large, right? Then how do you sort of cope with all of this when you come out of the house specifically और आप अपना phone पहली बार देखते हो और ये सब चल रहा है, तब करणवीर के दिमाग में क्या चल रहा था?
Firstly, luckily I'm dyslexic, so I don't read. I'm trying to stay as away as possible. I still have 2,000 messages on my WhatsApp I have to reply. A lot of my social media has crashed because something comes and then it hangs. It's also simultaneously on a laptop. तो वो अलग अलग ही चल रहा है ना because of people handling things. So I'm a little confused and I rather stay away from all this. I rather concentrate on the real work.
Lovely. Speaking of real work, you know, I love the fact that आपको इतनी fine understanding है कि fame is going to be temporary.
It's transient, yeah.
Yeah, that's what it is, right? Sometimes it's here, sometimes it's there. When you're talking about future plans, let's say कल से, तो आप अपने work को किस तरीके से channelize करना चाहते हो?
देखो, एक मैं किसी ने कहा भी था, मैं हर किसी का कोट करता रहता हूँ कि उल्फतें चाहते मोहब्बतें ये हर वक्त रहती नहीं. उल्फतें चाहते मोहब्बत ये हर वक्त रहती नहीं. जहाँ कल कोई और था आज कोई और होगा, और आज जहाँ तुम हो वहाँ कल कोई और होगा. ऐसा ही होता है, ऐसा ही होगा. सो आई नेवर टेक दीज थिंग्स सीरियसली. द ओनली थिंग दैट आई नीड टू डू इज़, अगर मुझे कोई 100 रुपया दे रहा है किसी काम का, तो मैं उसको 1000 रुपये का काम करके दूँ. So that he comes back later when I don't have those things. He says, भाई, I owe him. इसने 100 रुपये में 1000 का काम दिया था ना, let me give him 100 again. So that चलिए 500 तो करके देगा. मतलब बंदर जितना भी बूढ़ा हो जाए गुलाटी मारना नहीं भूलेगा.
नहीं भूलेगा.
Correct. So again, मैं सबके लिए कर रहा हूँ. Let me do that for you. Sushant quoted James Dean. I think I want to quote Sushant. He said, एक अच्छा कलाकार बनना बहुत मुश्किल है, लेकिन एक अच्छा इंसान बनना उससे भी ज़्यादा मुश्किल है. और मैं दोनों बनना चाहूँगा यहाँ से जाने से पहले.
Lovely, Karanveer, lovely. You know, I also want to understand, Big Boss House आपको कैसा बना देता है? बाहर निकलने के बाद आपने कुछ changes देखे अपने में?
No, I have to still live that life to see those changes. But one thing I realized in the Big Boss house is that the time is running out. वो time का तांडव जो मैं अभी समझा हूँ ना, because I used to get up 2 hours earlier. Yet दिन ऐसे खत्म हो जाता था जैसे like these 105 days went like a jiffy.
Right.
Like I still want to stay inside more for another 105 days.
Really? You do that?
I really miss the house.
Wow.
And what I realize is कि आपके पास कितना पैसा है, you can always count. It will be there with your accountant in your pocket. But आपके पास कितना time है, you can never count. So live every moment like your last, and you never know what happens next.
Lovely.
I've lost my close friends like that. So that time is very like. Somebody asked me once कि what if you die and go up and God asks, so how was heaven? क्या? What if this is heaven? So how are you living your life?
How do you know that? You know, lastly, before I let you go, I have 2 questions very important that always strikes me. I feel जब एक actor घर के अंदर जा रहा है, सब कुछ डिसकनेक्ट होने के बाद बाहर जिन लोगों को वो अपनी लाइफ सॉर्ट ऑफ सौंप के जा रहा है, whether it's the phone, whether it's interacting with the family members, etc., हज़ारों चीज़ें होती है. Lots of trust is needed because
Correct.
बैक एंड पे क्या हो रहा है आपको अंदर तो कोई आइडिया नहीं है. मुझे जानना था जब आप अंदर थे, आप ऐसे मतलब ऐसे ख्याल आ रहे थे कि बाहर क्या हो रहा है पता नहीं, और did you really trust the people who you sort of left everything and walked inside?
Yeah, I had nothing to hide, so I just gave my phone to my PR, Nidhi. She's very good.
Yeah, Nidhi is my college friend.
Yeah, so just gave her the phone and gave her the password and said, do what you want and just don't get into the negative space, which she also isn't.
Not that
She's a very
person.
positive girl and very enthusiastic about her work. And
But
that
does
was
that
it.
trust come like after a lot of time for
Nahin.
anybody else who is there?
Nahin,
You can
nahin.
trust people easily.
I can trust. I have nothing to hide, na.
Right.
If I had something to hide, तब मैं बोलता अरे ये मत बोलना. I went in with singing songs that I am 2-time divorced. So I had nothing. She could have gone through my phone. She
Absolutely.
can see my life through.
Yeah.
In so many years, I've got 70,000 pictures there, including the ones she shouldn't see. But that's her. Then she was elegant enough not to open the phone and go there and post this. जो हो सकता था
Absolutely.
controversial
हाँ,
चीजें.
जो नहीं हुआ.
But नहीं किया उसने. She was also like कि ठीक है यार काम की चीज़ों पे काम करते हैं ना, which was nice. And of course the only thing about outside was my family fine. I hope they are. In fact, I haven't told anyone. I'm telling you, my mother was hospitalized, and nobody, my family also didn't. That was the only thing that I was worried about. And उन्होंने भी नहीं बोला because they thought I'll get worried.
Correct.
और हालांकि बोलना चाहिए था, and I would have come out even exactly on that the same day that she got dengue or dengue, however we say it. But yeah, that's the only thing. That my losing my loved ones is the only problem that would have created. But for her, it was the best 3.5 months because मैं गायब रहता हूँ and she could just open 24 hours. अच्छा इधर है, okay.
मामा ठीक है अभी?
मस्त है एकदम, full ash.
Lastly, tell me what is it that you picked up from the Salman Khan?
I have been a great admirer of that man from the longest. I don't know if you saw the video that played, which sees a collage in my house, big posters in my hostel room.
Right.
So I've been, and I remember this time in the 90s when he was a little brash, which every guy is at that age, and the media or the people gave him this tag of Bandra ka bad boy. And he accepted that.
With all like chin up.
He's like, I am the bad boy of Bandra.
Yeah.
So मैं उसी पे हूँ. I am the bad boy.
Yeah, मुझे तो आपने बोला है.
हाँ, it just I just lose the baggage.
Right.
Then I don't need to. अगर आप तो बहुत अच्छे हो तो मैं फंस जाता हूँ. अरे मेरे को अच्छा रहना है. I'm free to do whatever I want. So that's the takeaway. And actually, he's the nicest person you'll meet.
Yes.
The kind of work he does for humanity, for people around, the loved one the way he loves, is remarkable.
Right.
So वो चीजें I've picked up from him.
Lovely.
That's how also we share birth dates. So हम similar हैं उन चीजों में. And I'm glad that I'm somewhere his परछाई or trying to follow him.
Amazing. Karanveer, with that, my time's up. But thank you so much. I hope your time's never up. You keep soaring, keep shining, and we keep coming back and chatting with you so much more.
That's
Thank you
so
for your
sweet.
time,
Thank you
Karanveer.
so much.
Lots
Thank
of
you.
love and keep shining.
Thank you.